VALE stock analysis and price predictions for next week. This is super interesting. Is it a buy? I'll be breaking all this down in this brief short 1 minute video. Now, as the only person in this page with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, data shows after 44,000 videos what's working the best. This is what I've figured out. It's taken me 5 years to come to this point and figured it out. With Vale, it doesn't look good. You know I had a bullish idea, but that went freaking nowhere. And with Vale, yep, we got the first breakdown, and if there is a second break beneath 935, this is just sell side, right? It's a decent sell side, but again, it still hasn't happened yet, so I'm just waiting to see how that's going to turn out to be. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm just waiting for rules. With VALE, I've got about, I mean, not much receipts here, maybe, but like, if there is not a double break, I'm not looking to take it down. Now, if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.